guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A very quick video because मेरी कैब आने वाली है. I just wanted to say that you cannot make them like you. Trust me, you cannot just make everyone like you because you cannot. It's not like they don't like themselves. That's why they can't like you and all this bullshit. Ki they don't even like themselves. That's why they're not liking you. But this is a fact that you cannot make them like you. Let me wear my shoes. So instead, also one more thing. If they say I could have done this better, मतलब जो भी आप कर रहे हो, right? And then they say कि I could have done this better, do it. Yeah, do it. Why didn't you? God bless you, bro. You can't do it. Then why didn't you? So sometimes people just talk. मतलब they just like to talk. So एक समझो like ऐसे talking diarrhea types होता है किसी को. And life is also so much more than a correct grammar, bro. If I said hair की जगह, या if I said something गलत grammar, life is so much more that word grammar वाला. तो if anyone corrects you अच्छे से आराम से tell them okay thank you and try कि वो चीज़ वापस ना हो. But if somebody laughs at you, trust me, tell them bro fuck off. Literally बोलो उनके मुंह पे bro fuck off. बोलना पड़ेगा. आप चुप रहोगे तो हमेशा हाँ हाँ हु करते करते ना, then they will take you granted for real. Also I just wanted to say यही चीज़ है. मैं बहुत दिमाग मेरा ऐसे खराब हो रहा था तो I was like चलो let's make a YouTube video ऐसे, then I can just talk to you guys. If you think, also if you're starting something new, get ready to see how your closest friends react to it. Trust me, they are your friends. They just like you because you are on that level with them. उसी level पे हो. That's why they like you. That's why they will motivate you. कि हाँ आप ऐसे करो, हाँ आप वैसे करो, हाँ you can do it. But उनका support से वहीं तक होता है जब तक they are telling you कि you can do it. As soon as you will, trust me, as soon as you will start doing it, they will not support you anymore. Even your closest friends and anyone. Also, don't share everything with everyone. Sorry, don't share. सब चीज़ें you don't have to share with your parents also. मतलब there are some things, that some boundaries that you are keeping with your parents. You have to discuss it with them कि क्या क्या है. But don't share everything. Don't share अपने सारे goals with anyone. I'm telling you, अच्छी नज़र बुरी नज़र, it is valid. अच्छी नज़र भी लग जाती है. And if they say कि no, we only want the best for you, nobody wants the best for you, bro. Trust me, nobody wants best for you जब तक उनके लिए वो चीज़ best नहीं है. They only want best for you when they are getting something out of it. Nobody hurt me. Don't ask me in the comment section who hurt you, bro. Who hurt you, bro? Nobody hurt me. But at the end of the day, nobody wants good for you. Even your closest people, like very closest people, trust me, very closest people, they don't want good for you. मेरी कैब आ गई है. Sorry, कैब नहीं. Moto. I'm just telling you, you don't have to believe in everything they say. If you are getting this instant कि they are not right and they are not right, leave them, trust me, leave them. You need to leave them, वरना वो आपके दिमाग के साथ खराब कर देगा आपको. Where is my shawl? मिल गई. Leave them. Don't think कि अच्छा they will feel bad, they will feel ऐसा. Leave, मतलब I'm telling you, they don't, मतलब you don't have to care, bro. Don't care. You cannot save everyone if you are not happy with it. Wait, मुझे कॉल कर रहे हैं यार. लाइक मैंने कहा 2 मिनट रुक जाएगी बिकॉज आई हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस. ऑल्सो आई गो लाइक दिस बाहर कॉज बाहर नहीं खराब होने चाहिए. फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट, ब्रो. आई एम टेलिंग यू. ऑल्सो आई विल ऑल्सो मेक एक और यूट्यूब वीडियो जिसमें आई विल शो हाउ मच आई मेड दैट विजन बोर्ड. 25 का नहीं मिल रहा, 24 का मुझे मिला. एंड देर आर मेनी थिंग्स. फोटोशूट एंड आई नेवर थॉट. Trust me, I never thought, but it happened. And yeah, मैंने मजाक में डाल दिया था. And yeah, it happened. Trust the timing. You can always work for it. Like you want something and you can always work for it. But please don't. Please, मतलब उसको अपनी पूरी दुनिया मत बना लो आप. You can always work for it कि हाँ I want this and I'm working for it, right? But अगर नहीं मिला, कोई बात नहीं. Maybe there is something else. But keep working for it. You cannot just sit in your bed or whatever. I just talked about drama. that the world is not about grammar. आपको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है ना? Also, I'm a Sandeep Maheshwari from Meesho, and soon from Myntra, then maybe Amazon, and then maybe Savannah, bro. दिमाग खराब हो गया है मेरा. Also, yeah, I'm ready. Should we go? You guys also get up. Also, I think this video will only be like 5 minutes, but this is something you all should know. Please listen to this, because I think this video is maybe just for me, कि मैं क्या सोचती हूँ ऐसे बारे में, और मुझे भी चाहिए था ये ज्ञान. तो मैं ये जो वीडियोस होती है ना गाइस, मैं अपने लिए भी बनाती हूँ कि मुझे भी जरूरत है इन वीडियोस की. मे बी दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट, पता है लड़कियों का क्या होता है, माय फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी दिस, कि लड़कियां बोल बोल के चीजें कॉम्प्रीहेंड करती हैं, एंड लड़के बिना कुछ बोले चीजें कॉम्प्रीहेंड करते हैं. तो मे बी just talk to yourself. You can always talk to yourself and get clear with things. Don't discuss it with anyone. You can discuss it with your friends, but don't give sari details. Trust me, they will not use it against you, more or less, but they will not want good for you जब तक उनका कोई benefit नहीं हो रहा है उस चीज से. Why would anyone like आपके अलावा आपके लिए कोई अच्छा क्यों चाहेगा? ये सेंस तो बनाती है बात, पर हम लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. Why? Nobody, bro. Nobody. Please stop with this. Stop with this act. I actually hate it sometimes कि how self-aware I am, but being self-aware is a curse and a blessing. Also, I just wanted to say कि if they tell you कि you have changed, then maybe you have. And it's for the best. We all want change, right? You cannot just eat the same dish for the rest of your life. I'm not talking about the marriage and stuff, because in that you have to do it because you chose to do it. I'm just talking about your personality. If you are changing, if you have changed, then maybe it's for the good. They tell you you have changed because वो आपको फिर से चूतिया नहीं बना पा रहे हैं. Trust me. वो आपको चूतिया नहीं बना पा रहे हैं, वो आपको पागल नहीं बना पा रहे, क्योंकि आपका पहला वाला वर्जन पागल बन रहा था. जस्ट अ सेकंड, गेट बंद करूंगी मैं. समझ आ गया, आपका पहला वाला वर्जन पागल बन रहा था. भैया बार बार कॉल कर रही थी, तो इसी वजह से दे से यू हैव चेंज्ड. टेल देम या आई हैव चेंज्ड. सो ब्रो व्हाट एंड अगर बात आ ही जाती है आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ पे, देन लीव देम. Okay guys, bye bye. Going to college. So if this helped you, let's just talk in the comment section. Bye. देखो मैं ऐसे बंद करूँगी. Bye.